Hey guys, it's ShanChan again, and if you remember in my last video, I had said I was going to tally up in the comments your favorite anime and manga series, but I didn't get enough comments. So I'm going to leave that question hanging for a while, so feel free to leave your answer in the comments below, and when I get enough, I'll let you know the results. Today we're going to learn hiragana, and we're going to start with our vowels, and I'm super excited to get into some Japanese with you guys, so we're just going to jump right in, okay? So, the first vowel is the letter A, and A is actually pronounced ah, like ah, I just remembered something. And it's symbolized with this character right here. And if you look at the bottom, there's the little squiggly part, and it kind of looks like an A, and that's how I remember this character. So this is A, or the letter A. Then, the next vowel is the letter, or the next vowel that we're going to do is the letter O. And O is kind of cool because O is pronounced like a long O, so it's pronounced the same. And then the character that they use for that sound looks like this, and if you see the tail, just like the A, it's got a tail, but this one's super round and looks just like an O. So that made this character really easy to remember. So this is O. Okay, the next vowel we're going to do is the letter U. And U is actually pronounced like the double O in the word to, or ooh. Like, ew, I don't like that, or ew, that's a little bit gross. So, the character that they use looks like this, and there's like a U shape to it. So it made it really easy to remember that this is the character for U, which is pronounced ooh. And then the two that get mixed up the most are the I and the E. And the reason they get mixed up is because I is pronounced like a long E sound. And the character that they use to represent it looks like this, you guys. And the way that I remember this is this kind of looks like the dot over the I right here. That's what I think of when I see this. That's how I remembered it. It's the dot over the I, and it's pronounced E. So, then if the I is pronounced E, well, how is the E pronounced? The E is actually pronounced A? Like, you're asking a question almost. A? And the symbol that they use to represent it looks like this. And whenever you write R-E, you draw this little horizontal line right here. And that's what I think of when I think about the character that represents E. I think of that little horizontal line right there. So that's how I remember that character. So we're going to do a little review, okay? So I'm going to show you the letter, and I'm going to show you the character, and I'm going to pronounce for you the way it's pronounced in Japanese. This is A. And this is A. And this is get the cards to cooperate. E. And this is O. And this is ooh. So that's all of our vowels, and next time we're going to do the characters that represent the sounds with an H in front of each of these vowels. So there'll be the character for ha, he, he, ho, hu. And if you guys want to study in between my videos, you can go to Google and do just like a Google image search and put in hiragana chart, and it'll print you out a chart, and it'll have the vowels at the top and the hiragana characters for them, and then it'll have each of the other sounds that we're going to go over and the characters for those. So you could kind of study ahead if you wanted to, but just don't make a boo-boo and study the wrong thing, because it's really hard to relearn things. Okay? Flashcards were extremely helpful to me, you guys. You can put the letter on one side and the symbol on the other side, and train yourself that way. And then once you think you remember a bunch of them, get a friend to make you a quiz and have them put the letters on some of the questions and the symbol or the character on the other questions, and where the character is, you go back and write the letter, and where the letter is, you go back and write the character. And it'll help you learn to write the characters well, and it'll help you memorize which character is what letter. And as you're doing it, you could actually pronounce it the correct way, and that will help you remember the sounds as well. If you guys tune in to the next video, I'm not sure if it's going to be the next Hiragana video or if it's going to be a Dragon Con video. I recently went to Dragon Con, which is a big convention in Atlanta, and I'm going to be making a video about it, and I took some footage of me while I was there, and I'm just not sure about video editing and how quickly I'll be able to put that video together, so I'm not sure if it'll be next or if the Hiragana video will be next. But either way, keep your eyes and ears peeled, and we'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye-bye!